Hey everyone, I made it into a new Walmart. This Walmart looks fully stocked, which is really cool. So we have like candles right here. They're gonna be, what's this, $5.98. That's kind of funny. Ghouls just want to have fun. Let's see, we have the skull tower. These are pretty much 10, and you know he's gonna light up for $5.34. You know what, for $5.34 that is actually really cheap compared to Michael's. Now we've seen this one, $5.34. Not all witches live in Salem. That's $4.44. Happy Halloween. I might have shown these are $2.98. They are wood. And then October 31st, $3.88. Oh, that is so cool. We got like more Halloween, you guys, because I'm like, Halloween is dead. What in the world is going on? These ghosts, trick or treat, and they do have a pumpkin with a little bow. I feel like you could rip that bow off. I don't know, I'm not feeling it. $6.94. Gnomes, the gnome witch. So we've seen this one, $1.98, and they do have this pumpkin one. Okay. Candy Warehouse, Haunted Highway, Trick or Treat. Let me see what this one is. It's Hocus Pocus time. Witches, $3.98. Oh gosh, do not fall over like dominoes. I feel like that's gonna happen. Make sure you don't fall.
That's good.
And I know we've seen these. Little Happy Halloween one. $9.98. So pretty much 10, like a burlap garland. Maybe for your mantle. Okay, they brought this out. You know what?
That was last year's too.
Weren't these $3 something? They're $4.98. I don't remember. You know what? I did buy these and I was gonna put them on my mantle, but they're kind of short. I do know 99-cent store has like a vintage cat one. It's a lot longer and thicker. We have the skeleton. Well, it's not a skeleton, like a skinny pumpkin man and the cat. Haunted Sweet Farm, little pumpkins, and of course they have like this black one with the bow. Now I know we've seen these witches. Let's see here. I'm no longer looking at the price. They're always wrong. And $10.97, and then you guys call me out and like, you're blind. I'm like, I'm reading the price. $2.14, that should be a freaking dollar. $1.98, that should be a dollar. I feel like you can find that in the Dollar Tree, right? The pumpkin for $1. I can't believe that's $2. It's just paper, and the other side is glitter. Oh my gosh, ain't that crazy? I mean, I don't know. It looks like these are $4.97. Oh look, you guys, they have the cat and dog. Last year they had a German Shepherd dog. These pumpkins are only 98 cents. I don't know where my children went. Do you know where they went? Okay. I don't let my youngest, well, she's 13, I don't like her wandering by herself.
Well, she's pocket sized.
As long as my son is with her, I'm all good. Okay, some candles, and you know, the rabbit cat. Do you guys want that? Do you want that? These are kind of cool. These are $2.98. It has a little tassel. Those are kind of cool. Do you guys think? Boo. Oh no, I want to get to this one. Oh gosh, I'll pick it up. Oh no. Top hat bone daddy guy. And there's one more. Oh, what did I say? Creep it. Oh gosh, creep it real. They just like falling over. Oh, they were all the way. Okay, we got it. Don't worry. A new Jack and Sally beanie, $5.98. I'm gonna go over here. Oh, okay, look at these are 15. that goes on for quite a bit unless it's repeating itself. Let's find the tree one. Oh, same thing. Same thing. So skull and trees are here. Let me walk over here. Oh, looks like costumes. Okay. Oh, look, they have a vintage cat for $5.94. He's cool. I kind of don't want to look at costumes right now. Let me go to the other side real quick. Oh, these are back. The light up, you put it on your door. You know what? They had a cool headless horseman one like maybe 2 years ago. Never bought it. Here's like the witch one. That's kind of cool. And let's see. This is a like skeleton or reaper. Those are $9.97, so 10. Let me shut that off. Twinkle light door cover. Oh, it's gonna like light up. $2.24. They have this pumpkin one. Too much glare. I forget. Oh, here's a scary clown one, you guys. Happy Halloween. Something to put in your yard. The window boards, $4.98. These are 15. Oh, it's a hanging banner. Okay. It said welcome and boo. Yeah, those are kind of cool. You have like the sign, but the sign's like paper. But it's like a canvas banner. Let me see if I can put that back. Oh gosh. $2.24. But like maybe Dollar Tree, right? $2.44. I need to go to the Dollar Tree. I'm like, I can't film in there. Let's see. These are the babies. The baby. You have the black pumpkin. You have little body parts for $3.88. What is this down here? Oh, he's like skeleton head. I don't know. Maybe he came to something. Someone's missing his body. And the tower is $18.88. $3.94. A bag of bones. Okay, we've seen this one. They have a hand. Oh my gosh, my husband's annoying. I hear him talking to the guy behind me, but my husband talks so much, I kind of feel like he annoys people. $28.88. See, he's going. $7.92. Oh, look at his eyes. They're glowing. Okay, and these are $3.94. Of course, the skeletons with like the tutus. These are $4.94. Don't forget about your ghosts. $20. They do have Sally. And they have they brought this guy back. And you know these are gonna light up for 10. It's gonna change colors on his head. And the homes we've seen before. What is this one? Oh, these are garland for $2.98. They're like pom-pom garland. $3.97. Those are gonna light up. Those are kind of cool. And the pumpkin. There we go. And the ghost and the spiders. Let's see, you have the hands. And here's some ghosts. I like the ghost. I know a lot of people don't like them, but I do like the original. Well, not really original, but I like that old-fashioned type of feeling, that vibe. And this one says Boo. I don't think I've seen this one for $9.94. And we have Happy Halloween for $15.97. Hanging a bat. And these are all lights here. Oh, look, are that spiders? Are those mini spiders? No. That would be cool if they were mini spiders. I would put that on the bush we have. Okay. Oh, you guys, they have a pumpkin one too. Way at the bottom. Oh, look, there is a Jack one. Those are kind of cool. Right? I haven't seen those yet. Little bloody bulb. You'll float. And they have the shiny. Oh, they brought these back, you guys. Remember this?
They look like that.
Look, they have a Freddy one. Let's see. Maybe too much light. Let's see if I could darken that. Let me see. Let me press that again. Oh, here we go. I see you, Freddy. And then the ghost. Oh my gosh, I saw a funny post today on I might have been Instagram or Facebook. I'm trying to remember. But someone was half and half Freddy. They were half Freddy Krueger, and then the other half of them was Freddie Mercury. It's kind of funny, right? $9.98. Oh, table. That's fall. Who cares? $4.98. Oh, look, they have a little chain. You guys could definitely DIY this and pearls. That's spooky and bewitched, I believe. These are $1.98. Nightmare Before Coffee, Scream and Sugar. Let me bring this one down. So they do have those. Okay. Oh, we have the hot pink one. What is down here? Everything's better with a little magic. Weird and wonderful. Yes. And let's see. Stone coasters. Clever as a devil and twice as pretty. Oh, what is this cool thing? Ghouls Night. Oh, I love that. I would love to have this on a shirt. I'm gonna look it up today. Something like that. You get 2 of them. Okay. That's kind of cool. That is a new one for me. I have not seen it. Let me grab this one out. Oh, it's like a unicorn. So scary. What does this one say? Oh, I feel so bad. So my husband was talking to a guy about Halloween stuff, and the guy kind of shrugged him off like, okay. But he was like rude about it. I tell my husband, like, why are you always trying to be nice to everybody? Everybody's such a butthole now.
Well, don't change. You always be nice.
Oh, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Oh, look, you guys. Here's the ghost guy. That's cool. Oh, these are plastic. Okay. So you don't have to worry about breaking it. Trays.
There's pumpkin and then like ghost.
Ghost. Yep. Let's see.
I remember I used to make you buy a bunch of these.
Those are 94 cents, right?
Yeah.
No, 74. So these are $9.98. Walmart has like these like flat wooden houses. Dead End Breakfast Inn. Happy Halloween, kind of like a barn one with some bats on it. Welcome. That one's kind of interesting. And then the Cauldron Cafe. Have a fabulous Halloween. That's 10. Bring this one down. These are 9. So pretty much 10. 9.98. So 10. And here's one more. Just trying to not show glare. Oh, Walmart has its own with the little truck and doggy. Oh, the cemetery gate is actually kind of cool. They're thankful and grateful. And some people. That's kind of cute in a weird way.
These are cool.
Yeah, they don't light up.
Yeah, but they're
It'll be
cool.
cooler if it did. Okay, and let's just keep going. Oh, look at this one. Oh, it's right here in front of my face. Little candy, popcorn candy. These are kind of cute. Those are $2.88. And cute treat bags. I normally do treat bags. I don't know if I'm going to do treat bags this year. I think last year I just passed out the candy because we do full-size candy and then like Capri Suns or water. But the previous years I was making like treat bags. I feel like you have to have something like for little children who like can't eat candy yet, you know, the kids who come over but they just could maybe eat a sucker. Marshmallow kit. Let's see, are these like gingerbread houses? Okay. Oh, look at that Mickey one. Oh, the mummy kit. How funny. Of course, just get frosting and just do it. Let's see. These are like pumpkin carving kits. that timer. Oh yeah.
Super scoops on.
Decorate your pumpkin. The light. And they have the strobe light. One's gonna like flicker. I believe that is it for Walmart, you guys. So this is the mask they have. You know, each location is different. They have a burglar. You want to be a weenie, a reaper, a carnival clown, a nun. What else do they have? Let me look real quick. Next to me, it is just makeup. And the costumes are the same from like previous videos. Oh, look at this one, $3.98. Oh, it's unicorn makeup. We can't get rid of the unicorn and we can't get rid of the gnomes. They're forever gonna be here. I feel like gnomes are gonna be huge for Christmas and unicorns. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna head on out of here. Please stay safe. Oh, let me look over here real quick. There's just somebody crying. Okay, we have the pumpkin shirt. The scary man. Oh my gosh, you guys, let me tell you. They have one of these shirts here that are like $7.88. Okay, so I did buy one of these. They have Scream here, they're $7.88. And they have another one, and I was looking online and on Urban Outfitters, they had the Scream shirt that you can find in Walmart, the exact same one for $35. Here's a new Mikey one. I like it because it's in black. They do have a purple one, which I don't really care for, but I like this one. This one they had in Urban Outfitters, and I could not believe it was $35. I was like, what? That's crazy. Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it for this Walmart video. So I'm kind of glad I came and found a new Walmart that was like filled in with stuff. So I believe that might be it for Halloween in Walmart. Thank you so much for joining me. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.